Hey there everyone, and welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about email automation, and about how to set up your own automated email campaigns the easy way so you can better capture, engage and keep your new email leads. Alright, so let's start from the very beginning. What is email automation all about? Email automation is simply the best way to engage with leads by way of marketing automation. The automation comes from using an email automation tool that can allow you to send emails to your customers at specific, designated times. Email automation is the most efficient way to save time and resources when sending individualized emails to your new leads and customers. In fact, email automation is what will allow most business owners to use email as a marketing tool the right way. Setting up email automation. There are two types of email automation used to grow email lists. Autoresponders are automated emails that are sent to leads when they complete an action, such as subscribing to your lists, and follow-ups are marketing emails that you send on a schedule. Their purpose is to offer upsells, season-specific deals, and so on. Setting up email automation can be tricky if you decide to do it on your own, but some excellent email automation platforms are out there to do it the easy way. This video will talk about MailChimp to describe to you how to automate an autoresponder email. We will get started by logging into our MailChimp account. Once there, we will click on the Lists tab and then on the Create List button to create a subscriber list for our automation. We have to start by giving our new list a name. In our case, we are going to use the newsletter name. In the default from the email address, we will enter the email address that we want our email leads to see when they are contacted from this list. Now, the default from name is the sender's name that our subscribers will see to use our business name. In the Remind People How They Sign to Your List field, we will write a reminder for subscribers telling them how they subscribe to our list. In the Notifications section, we can mark what type of notifications we want to receive in our main email address. Then we are going to click on Save. Now, for automation to work, we have to add subscribers to our new list. In our case, MailChimp gives us the option to manually add subscribers using the Add Subscriber tab, to import contacts from a file or integrated service, or by creating a sign-up form. We already set up a sign-up form in any page builder software to build our lead capture page with our MailChimp account to automatically add new subscribers to our list. And that's it. Now our automation is ready. Follow us in the video to teach you the secrets behind a successful follow-up email.